Welcome. Lesson 39, page 45 of the Psaltic method. And last time, I believe we finished with Kedizo Pio on the, and we said we're going to start on Ni. And for the first time, we said we're going to chant the hard chromatic scale. Ni, da, 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 ni. Inni izo oi pio ni pa Vupani zoge zonini. That's the chromatic effect. Let's take it a step at a time to understand what's happening. Ni pa ni pa. Ni pa, it's a whole tone. Vupani zoge zonini. But why is that? Well, let's take a look. Remember that on Ni we have this Thora. Okay? Let's go and take a look at what that Thora is doing. No matter where you place that Thora, on the, on Pa, on Ni, it makes the intervals go that way, above and below it. So we put that Thora on Ni. Here it happens to be on D. Here it happens to be on Pa. It doesn't matter the name of the note. The effect that it has is what matters. And the effect is the actual scale intervals. Ni. So we put this Thora on Ni. Ni, pa, vu, pa, ni, zo, ge. Zonini. Okay? No matter what you call it, ni, vi, pa, it's the effect that matters. So you can put this Thora or that Thora, just like any other Thora of any other equals any other scale. And from that point on, it's going to switch to that kind of interval. In this case, hard chromatic. Di, ni, pa, wu, pa, ni, zo, ge, zo, ni, pa, vu, di. Okay. Instead of ni, could have been di. Di, ge, zo, ge, di, ga, vu, ga, di, ge, zo, pa. Same thing. The only thing that changed in this case that I just did was the name of the actual notes, but the chanting doesn't change. Ni, pa, wu, pa, ni, zo, ge, zo, ni, pa, wu, di, ge, di, ga, wu, pa, wu, ga, di, ga, wu, pa, wu, di, ge, di, ga, wu, pa, wu, pa. And here you see the pa martyria of hard chromatic, okay? Indicating that this pa that you just ended at is the hard chromatic. Wu, pa. What is that symbol? That's the phthora of diatonicos vu. I know we had it somewhere. I'm going to try and find it for you. Diatonicos vu. Okay, vu, vu. So basically, theoretically, everything you need to chant, you know. It's about practicing at this point. Vu pa, vu ga di ke di. Okay, we have a strong vu because it's diatonic. If we continued chromatic, we would say na vu ba vu ga di ke di. But na vu ga di ke di. Okay, so I hope you're comfortable with at least the idea, not the practice of it. It takes a lot of practice, and it takes for you to listen to experienced chanters many hours to get very comfortable with the acousma, with the hearing, with the listening of it, with the way that this thing feels and sounds. But I hope you're comfortable at least with the theoretical idea that we have these phthores, and no matter you put these phthores, they just change the intervals of the scale. And from this point on, you forget about the diatonic that you've been chanting so far. And from this point on, all the way, all the way to this pa, here you start diatonic. So 1, 2, 3 lines chromatic, and then you come back to diatonic. Okay, so that's the idea of the phthora, and that's how you change them. I want to chant it at least once melos, and I think that's a good time to stop. Ni, tri. Sorry about that. Tri. Ni, ha, ne, tri, di. Okay, don, and so on. So we switch to diatonic right there with a very strong vu. Okay, I think this is a good time to stop. I'll see you next time.